Dear buddies, so if you're a driver, you have somebody that is driving, or you're planning to learn how to drive later in life, stay with me. In fact, capitalize staying with me right now. Are you hearing me? So yesterday, I almost had an accident. It would have been a terrible one anyways. I was driving in my mom's car with my mom in it. Guess what? Yesterday, what I was just thinking, like, this car not even have one scratch. I forget myself. Because I have for the explain. At the end of the day, they'll still blame the driver for everything. You get that vibe? So yeah, it occurred to me yesterday that accidents don't just occur. Maybe you losing brake failing, high speed. There are other factors. For your information, driving is spiritual. Take it or leave it. As a driver that you have been driving for long now, or you started driving, have you ever had these thoughts before? You have an accident. They will not be asking you questions. Do you want to have an accident? Or you just say, accident. To just pass, you just echo, accident. Immediately, it occurs to your hearing, immediately. Rebuke it immediately. Try and rebuke it immediately. After you have rebuked it, just do like this. Sign of the cross. For at the end of, as you do like this, when you say, Holy Spirit, protect me. Yes, say it afterwards. You will not understand what I'm trying to say. I've been driving for the past 6 to 7 years. I've never had an accident. Maybe because I know these tactics. Or maybe because, I don't know, maybe God is just protecting me. There was one time I was driving. There's a bridge on the road. Do you know what my head was telling me? They say, just throttle down and enter the river, see if you will die. That's what they told me. They say, just throttle down and fly into the river and see if you will die. Immediately, that's why I rebuke. I thought that I passed the river fastly, so that mentality will not come again, or that spirit, or that voice will not come again. That's the way I overcame. So one of all the factors that I don't know if they have said it or if they have, I don't know, I've not heard it anyway. Wheel balancing and alignment. Please do that for your car at when necessary. Yes. If you see the way my car shake yesterday, it was my mom was saying, Jesus. There was one thing that I built in me, and I believe all drivers should have that. Build courage, even in the midst of chaos, still know the right thing to do. That is courage. Even in the midst of chaos, still say you will not die, nobody will die, you will be safe. You will overcome in the midst of chaos. Still know the right thing to do. Still overcome. Be courageous as a driver. Whether you are just learning now or you are planning to learn, they view them down. Are you hearing me? Build it down. Like, build it. What is I've told you the techniques to use. It's more spiritual than physical. Make sure you balance your car. We balancing. You do alignment for your car, because those two things can equally cause accidents too. Added to the other numerous factors that can cause accidents. So protect yourself. Protect yourself from all of these chaotic accidents, please. I got your buddies. That is why I'm giving you this information. I got your buddies, on the 100. Peace out.